Hello everyone, Ravneet Bala welcomes you back to her channel. You love tomato sauce, green chili sauce, and whatnot, but have you tried mango sauce? If you are yet to try making lacto fermented mango ketchup, it's high time you did because it's the best thing to do to preserve the king of fruits and enjoy its flavors even when mangoes have disappeared from the market. So let's learn how to lacto ferment mangoes to make probiotic rich mango sauce. For this recipe, you need both ripe and raw mangoes. I have taken one teeny piece of turmeric for this color. If you do not have raw turmeric, leave it. One raw mango and two ripe ones. You also need spices of choice. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin or jeera, black peppercorns or kali mirch, and two lavang or cloves. Add these spices to a sterilized glass bottle. Now, sterilizing makes a glass container ideal for fermentation. I have already shared how to sterilize a jar. Check the link in description. Next, add grated raw mango and pureed or pieces of raw mangoes. Press hard with a spoon. Mix 2 tablespoons of curd with 1/4 cup of water to make buttermilk. Add half teaspoon of salt and pour into the bottle. You may or may not need this much amount of curd water. Press the contents with a spoon. Cover the bottle loosely with the lid and keep it at room temperature. Place a bowl beneath the jar as it might spill due to hot conditions and fermentation activity. It will get bubbly. By the second day, I had to shift all the contents to a bigger jar as it was all bubbly and spilling in a small jar. So please take a bigger jar and keep neck space so that it does not spill much. By the way, I have already shared the benefits of fermentation on your gut health. Please check my previous lactofermentation in India videos in this regard. Keep the lactofermented mango sauce aside at room temperature for a day first. By next day, the contents should be floating on top. Please make sure to press down everything under the curd water every few hours. If this is not possible, then place a bay leaf to cover all contents and ensure nothing floats on top of the water. Anything that floats might catch mold and fungus, and we do not want our mango sauce to go bad. This time I chose to press down the contents every few hours with a spoon. This kept it free from mold or bad bacterial growth. This step will also prevent any spills. By the third day, it was all bubbly. I decided to puree the mix in a blender. After blending, add 2 tablespoons of honey, more or less depending on how sweet you want your mango sauce to be. It also depends on the sweetness of your mangoes. Half teaspoon of black salt goes in. You may do a taste test to see if this is enough or you need it to be salty. Now we will need apple cider vinegar. I have used homemade apple cider vinegar. Here is some piece of good news for you all. My ACV mother is developing. If you are interested to learn how to make apple cider vinegar with mother at home, please stay tuned. I have also shared the process to make natural, raw, unrefined, unfiltered ACV already. Do check the link in description. If you want to add any flavors here, please do add to flavor your mango sauce. Mix everything well, pour into a sterilized glass bottle and refrigerate. The lacto-fermented mango sauce will continue to intensify in flavor in the refrigerator. I love my mango sauce with rice too. I'm sure you too will love to enjoy your fermented mangoes in a sauce form. I hope you're finding this lacto fermentation series useful. If you do, please do not forget to comment on what all you have tried to lacto ferment with me. I would love to hear back. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. See you soon. Bye bye.